Welcome to the world of kinematics, where we explore the motion of objects and their characteristics. Kinematics is a fundamental branch of physics that focuses on the mathematical description of motion. By understanding kinematics, we can analyze and predict the behavior of moving objects accurately. In kinematics, we study various quantities that define the motion of objects.
The first essential
Quantity is displacement, which refers to the change in an object's position from its initial point to its final point. It is measured in terms of distance and direction. Another crucial quantity is velocity, which describes how quickly an object changes its position. Velocity is a vector quantity that combines the object's speed and its direction of motion. Speed, on the other hand, is a scalar quantity that represents the magnitude of an object's velocity. Acceleration is a quantity closely related to velocity. It measures the rate at which an object's velocity changes. Acceleration can be positive if the object is speeding up, negative if it's slowing down, or zero if the object maintains a constant velocity. To understand kinematics fully, it is vital to learn about the different equations that govern motion. The most fundamental equation is the displacement equation. The x var v0 t plus 1 2a2. In this equation, it represents the displacement of an object. v0 is its initial velocity. T is the time a denotes acceleration, and t2 indicates the square of the time. We can also define the average velocity and average acceleration of an object. The average velocity is calculated by dividing the displacement by the time taken, while the average acceleration is determined by dividing the change in velocity by the time taken. Now let's shift our focus to projectile motion, a captivating concept in kinematics.
projectile motion occurs when an object is launched into the
air and moves under the influence of gravity alone. By understanding the principles of projectile motion,